Hello friends, today's topic mid cap and small cap stocks crash but Nifty up. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Last night, Nasdaq index in the US fell by 2.77% due to profit booking in technology stocks. The Nasdaq index rally has appreciated well in the last 1 year and a correction was overdue. Due to the fall in tech stocks in the US, Japanese, Taiwanese and Singapore markets were down today. Even Nifty opened slightly weak today. However, it recovered as the day progressed and closed slightly higher. But the Nifty Next 50, Nifty Mid Cap 100 and Nifty Small Cap 100 index fell by 1% today. In fact, individual stocks have fallen around 3 to 6%. The main reason could be profit booking, especially since the budget is coming up on 23rd July 2024, Tuesday. Large number of investors will be wanting to wait for the budget announcements and then decide what should be their approach towards investing. Most investors generally have a short-term investing horizon for the markets and hence they take action according to their view. Famous stocks which fell today: 1. Trent Limited minus 6%, 2. HAL minus 5.89%, 3. Siemens minus 4.65%, 4. ABB India minus 4.12%, 5. BEL minus 3.86%, 6. Rail Vikas Nigam minus 5.48%, 7. Dixon Technologies minus 4.83%, 8. NHPC minus 4.3%, 9. Mazagon Dock minus 3.96%, 10. BSC Limited minus 3%, 11. Cochin Shipyard minus 4.41%, 12. Paytm minus 3.26%, 13. KEI Industries minus 4.77%, 14. Ircon International minus 3.4%, 15. BHL minus 3.56%. Apart from these stocks, many other stocks were down 1 to 3%. So large caps are broadly positive today. However, large number of small cap and mid cap stocks experienced profit booking. The rally in mid cap and small cap indices is now around 51 months old. It has been on an uptrend since around April 2020. It is a question of when there will be a correction in the stocks in the mid and small cap indices. Correction will have to happen sometime in the next 6 months or so. When exactly is difficult to predict, but the likelihood of it happening is very high. The correction could be 50 to 70% in the smaller stocks. For more clarity, see the historical graph of Nifty Mid Cap and Nifty Small Cap indices. The last cycle, it has fallen from its peak sometimes around 4 to 5 years and after the start of the uptrend. Usually, it has taken 12 to 24 months to reach the low point from where a new rally starts. So, if you have many small and mid-cap stocks or mutual funds, then be aware that there could be a correction in the coming months. You will be mentally prepared and not surprised when you learn to study and also observe historical records of stock markets. Even large cap stocks will fall, but much lesser than the small cap or mid caps. The mid and small cap stocks, the stocks which are appreciated a lot without sufficient support of fundamentals, will fall more compared to the other stocks since the high valuations will naturally result in selling of such stocks by investors. End of the video. Here is the question. Nifty was up by 0.8% today. Check your trading app and type what percentage was your portfolio up. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.